On number 7, I need to complete the square, and I need to do it on the variable that's squared. So in this case, it's the y's. So I need to move the y squared and negative 6y on this side and leave a space, and then move everything else to the other side. And then I'm going to complete the square. So half of the coefficient of the y term is going to be negative 3. And if I square that, I'm going to get 9. So I want to add 9 here and add 9 here. The left will factor as a perfect square trinomial, and I'll see that negative 3 again right there. And the right is going to be negative 4x minus 4. So I can factor that. And I get negative 4 times x plus 1. So this is the correct form now. My y is the term that's squared, and my 4a is negative. So because y is squared, I know it's either left or right, and then because 4a is negative, I know for sure that it's left. Okay, my vertex is going to be negative 1, 3. And then my lattice rectum length, 4a is equal to negative 4. And they want the absolute value of that. So that would be a positive 4. And then to get the focus and the directrix, we need to figure out what a is. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4 to get a is equal to negative 1. Okay, my vertex is negative 1, 3. And then I want to add a to get the focus. So adding negative 1 means I'm going to the left because the left is the negative direction. And then I'm going to subtract a, so minus a minus 1 is the same thing as adding 1. And adding is going to the right, so that's the positive direction. And it's going to be like that. And what's my directrix? So my focus is negative 2, 3, and my directrix is the line x is equal to 0. So my width of the focus is 4. So I need to go up 2 and down 2. And then I can draw my parabola.